Yeah. Shorty, I know what you need. I got everything you need.
Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's She's Your Faith, and if you're not new here, hey girl, what's up? Welcome back. And as you can see from the title, we'll be working with CurlyMe here today. I work with them numerous amount of times, but I don't recall ever getting straight units. I always do textured units from CurlyMe, but today they went ahead and sent me this gorgeous box. They're pre-plucked, pre-cut 13x4 HD lace frontal wig, and it is a nice snug fitting dome cap. It is also very expandable. It just pretty much matches to the size of whatever head you have. Literally, I know this cap has a lot more stretch in it and a lot more shrink in it. I am a medium sized head, just for reference, and this is a 26-inch straight unit. I feel like the quality is just giving everything, and it pretty much goes all the way down to about 2 to 3 inches below where my waist is. So this much hair is below where my waist is, and for reference, I am 5'2". This unit is super gorgeous, and in today's video I showed you guys how I did this super quick easy glueless install. You could literally wear it without the adhesive I use, but I'm going to show you in today's tutorial how to get this gorgeous melt with this gorgeous wig, and the links will be in the description box for you to purchase this wig from CurlyMe Hair. Like everything, okay? Everything, you guys. So don't forget to go ahead and check those links out, and let's jump into today's tutorial. Alright you guys, so this gorgeous wig is from CurlyMe Hair. It is literally their pre-plucked pre-cut lace wig. So as you can see, it's cut in like a zigzag shape, but this wig you can wear it literally 100% glueless, fresh out the box. Didn't do anything to plucking, anything, nothing, no plucking, nothing, and the wig looks good just like this, fresh out the box. Didn't have to bleach the knots. All I did was just put makeup, and we're literally good to go.
way to cut this, put it in the song, alright. And I know just what you want. Oh, way to cut this, put it in the song.
Alright you guys, so this is the finished look, and this gorgeous wig is from none other than CurlyMe hair. I am literally in love, okay? In love with the way how this glueless wig melted. Like, I am really here for this lace. Like, I didn't have to do much at all, and the whole straightening portion was a breeze. I didn't have to pluck because this gorgeous wig came pre-plucked, pre-cut lace. All I had to do was just put it on my head, and you guys saw everything from how it was when I got it out of the packaging, and I put some tint on it and I showed you guys what the lace looks like. So they pretty much just do a nice jagged edge cut, so it's pretty uniformed, and you can go in and mess it up a little bit, but honestly it is perfect. And so said, so done. I'm living for the pre-plucked hairline that this unit has, and it is their 13x4 HD lace frontal wig unit in straight and 26 inches. So that pretty much goes all the way down to somewhat about like a little below my waist, like 2 inches below my waist. I'm pretty short, I'm 5'2", so this unit is going to look super long. It's gonna probably give 28, but it's really a 26 inch. Love that for me. But as for right now, I highly recommend this unit. The hair is nice and soft, super silky. I feel like this quality is speaking for itself, and it is a nice flat glueless dome cap wig unit. So all I used was these two, the lace adhesive ebbing spray and the CurlyMe band, and that pretty much got me together. This should come in your package as well as the hair in this box, and honestly I'm living for it. So thank you so much to CurlyMe for sending me this gorgeous wig. It is literally perfection, and I can't wait to rock it this weekend. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. The links will be in the description box, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.